Bit of a shorter video on the ZS180 here, just concerning this tow bar which the car came fitted with. Now, I'm not intending to tow with the car, I don't really need to have it on there permanently, so I'm going to remove it, but it might come in handy to have, so the removal is going to be in such a way that I can easily reattach it. As you can see, the tow bar itself is a standard flange mounted 50mm one. If you're really interested in the specs of these, you can go have a read of UN ECE Regulation 55, but all that matters is it's easily enough for the 1 ton tow rating that the car has. You can see the previous owner has fitted a bracket for a Bulldog type towing stabiliser as well, so that comes off with the hitch. The hitch mount attaches to the main frame on the car with 2 through bolts and a spacer, and it's these I'm going to remove to leave myself with a hidden mount I can easily reattach if I need to. Because they've used the spacer to take up the difference between the width of the frame mount and the hitch box section, I can use that spacer as a template for drilling out the original electrical socket mount, so that will be tucked up behind the bumper. A simple folding of bracket will be needed for my plans there, plus a quick spray of black paint to neaten it up. Next up, I'm going to use some tubular spacers as crushed tubes for the bolts to be tightened up against. Some old BMX handlebars will provide material for that. It's not strictly necessary, but it will also allow me to keep the spacer in situ so only the hitch section is stored off the car. Now everything goes back together with the 2 bolts through the tubes holding the spacer plate in place. And the the electric socket going on the side. A couple of washers and nuts and tighten everything up. And there we go, a much cleaner look to the rear bumper. As I said, just a quick video this time, but I'll be back in soon with another one, so subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more, and join me again next time.